Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to increase engagement on your live stream. First, let's compare live streams. As you can see on my screen, this is a live session with only 2 viewers and very few comments, right? See, there are very few comments and almost no engagement at all. Furthermore, if you compare the number of comments, you'll notice there are more views, more engagement, and also the content creator here is very energetic, right? They are very energetic and enthusiastic when introducing the products. If we go back to the live session with the fewest viewers here, you can see that the person just sits still and has no energy at all, right? This will affect many aspects for the audience. For example, imagine now, watching a live session with no energy at all, nothing going on, it would be really boring. And furthermore, this content creator won't be able to fully convey the product's message to you, which makes the decision to purchase very, very slow. So here, things like view boosting, comment boosting, or boosting interactions and so on, they won't have any effect on your live session. It will only help your live session get more viewers, increase its reach, and make it more lively. This is the interface of our software. Each account will be assigned a different proxy to ensure the best possible account security. Before we set up the live stream, we need to create an activity history that looks like it's from a real person. So to first create an activity history, right, we need to act like a real person. So here, in the general settings section, there will be an option to scroll through the newsfeed and then watch videos for 30 seconds to 30 seconds. And here, there's also keyword interaction, right here. For example, if I'm working in cosmetics, then here I would enter keywords like cosmetic or beauty, things like that. And here, you can set keywords for watching from 30 seconds to 30 seconds, specify how many videos to watch, and whether to like those videos or not. So here, if you use these accounts to interact with keywords like cosmetic or beauty, then your account will be properly targeted for that segment. It means that this account will, for example, view the feed, and then it will look at sections related to these keywords. After that, you just save it. So, about 15 to 30 minutes before going live, you let these accounts run through once to create some activity history first, then go to the setting function to start running the live session. Here, I'll use a live session as an example. I'll use this person's live session as an example. Then after that, I just paste the link in here. Then select the accounts you want and just start. Here, you can create a customer journey history, for example, for your customer. First, they'll check the newsfeed, right? Then they'll go watch your live stream session, interact, comment, and then leave, right? So my software will do the same thing. Watch the live stream for 30 seconds, interact by liking, commenting, watching the video, and even sharing it. That's it. Once you're done, you just need to start, and the software will automatically run for you.